Old Geppetto the woodcarver lived all alone in his little house. Every single night, he wished for a son of his very own. One day, a strange piece of wood arrived at his door, and it could laugh and talk just like a real child. Geppetto carved it into a puppet boy. He named his puppet Pinocchio. To Geppetto's amazement, the little wooden puppet could walk and talk, all by himself. Pinocchio took his very first wobbly steps, and went running right out the door. A little cricket hopped by and said, "Listen to your father, and always tell the truth." But cheeky Pinocchio just laughed and laughed. The next morning, kind old Geppetto sold his only coat to buy Pinocchio a schoolbook, and sent him off with a big hug. "Be a good boy," he said,